Hi. Today, we're going to see how to detect duplicate values in a dataset. I have a sample data here with IDs, names, titles, and birth dates. I want to see if the ID column has any duplicate IDs. One way to go about this is to use a conditional formatting on the ID column, which is column E here as you can see. Note that I'm using a web version of Excel and therefore, the look and feel is a little different from what you would ideally see on a desktop version. I would apply a new rule on column E to find and highlight any duplicate values. I will use the default formatting it is offering me. Click Done. And voila! You will see the duplicate ID 211 is highlighted. One is for the Chief Technology Officer, Valentine, and another is for Abby Price from Tech Support. If I have a large data set, I may want to use the filter function to see all cells that are highlighted. Another classic way is to use a check through the COUNTIF function. Apply it on the range as column E and criteria would be equal to that particular ID to detect duplicates. Note my data is in a table format and therefore, the formula is able to detect and use the IDs for each row, instead of me dragging it down. You will see 2 pops up for the ID 211 again. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.